Hey everybody, how you doing today? Mark here. We are heading out for a small little hike today. I'm at the park that we saw when I was doing the Rock River water trail. When I was riding that on the motorcycle, we came flying past this park and I was like, oh, we gotta go check that out sometime. So that's what we're going to do today. We're actually going to finally check it out. This is the J. Norman Jensen Park and Nature Preserve area. I think that's what it is. I know it's J. Norman Jensen, I know that much. And I know it's a park, and I know it's a nature area. I don't think it's a nature preserve. But anyway, this is actually a very big area. It's like 112.5 acres. It does have water frontage for the Rock River. Yeah, it should be a decent hike, but like I said, it's going to be fairly short. The trail here is a little over a mile. I think it's like 1.1 miles. So this ought to be a very quick video compared to some of my other ones. There's a nice prairie area that we're going to be walking through. We'll walk through some wooded areas. It should be a nice round hike, not a lot of strenuous climbing or anything like that. So let's get into it and enjoy the day. Okay, to start with, we got a really good sized parking lot here. Easily fit, I would say 5 to 6 cars just in this general area. And then the driveway actually loops around, so you can also park on the sides as well. We do have a little porta potty pit toilet thing over here. New construction, fairly clean. And then you got all the do's and don'ts of the trail, little informational kiosk here. They are of course telling you to be careful of some plant species, you know, the poison oak, poison ivy, things like that. No horses, no dirt bikes, no nothing like that. And then as we get going, just over here, you can see picnic tables all set up. No fire rings, no grills or anything like that. But if you've got a portable stove that you can pack in your car and bring over, you can cook and eat over here. So, okay, so in the picnic area, you got your start trail here or end, depending on which way you want to go, and another trail there. It literally just loops around. Okay, it's just one big loop. You can see part of the Rock River down there. This trail will go into the woods over there, circle across the prairie, go into those woods over there, and then come up. So that's what we're going to do. A little bit of a steep grade right here, but not bad. And it's a well-paved trail, little gravel, mowed down. Yeah, good conditions. Yeah, not bad down here. Getting close to the river now. Like I said, just a nice short little hike. From what I understand too, fishing down here is really popular. In fact, that's why there were so many cars in the parking lot up there. Probably at least half, if not more, are here to go fishing. So, there's the river right over there. Oh, well, that's a kind of a nice little surprise. There's actually a picnic table right up here. Oh, yeah, nice little shady spot to sit here and fish, picnic, whatever. I like that. So when I pulled in and I was setting up and getting my camera out and everything like that, There was a mom and her kid walking their little Chihuahua dog. I don't know which way they went. Where I went through that picnic area at the beginning, I went left. They might have went right, so I don't know if we're going in the same direction or opposite directions, and we'll meet up later. I have no idea what bird call that is. Sounds like a cat. Okay, I see a big warning danger sign. Now, okay, this is another picnic area. Trail keeps going down that direction. But I saw this. That's a big warning danger sign. And I'm thinking it's for the boaters. Hey, look at that. Rock River Trail symbol. So yeah, I think this is for boaters as they're going up and down the river. Because there is a dam up there, so they're saying to hug the right shoreline. And that's cool. Nice view. Nice view. I like that. Airplane overhead. Okay, now as I told you before, there's no campfires or anything like that allowed here, but it looks like there was something here at one point. You know, there may have been a fire ring there, and now it is long gone. I have no idea if people still try to use it though. Maybe, maybe not. Oh, that nice shade. Got a smell of something. I mean, there's flowers right along the side of the path here. And I'm smelling something, but I don't know what. And that mom and kid are actually coming right towards me, so they went right where I went left. Huh. There's a split in the trail over here. One goes that way, one goes down that way. I'm assuming the one that goes left will stay by the river. Oh, okay. So that actually probably wraps around and goes to a bridge dam that's down there. So that'd be kind of cool. That that water on the side though looks horrible. I bet you that'd be a mosquito fest. So I don't think I'm going to go down that way. So let's just keep on going on our path, huh? I wonder what this is. WCFPD. Okay, probably Winnebago County Forest Preserve Department. Maybe that's what that means. Nice deep wooded area here. I do like this. That's a nice shade. Huh. Check out these berries. I'm sure these are inedible. I wonder what they are. I don't know. If you guys know what those berries are, let me know. I mean, they're not berries. You can't eat them. But I'm sure they'll bloom into a flower maybe later in the summer, which there's not much summer left. So maybe those will bloom maybe the start of fall. I don't know. Oh, wow, guys, check this out. It's a huge chimney. Wow, that's cool. So there must have been a homestead or something here at some point. Huh. I don't know, maybe. That is cool though. I love finding stuff like this. Excellent. So yeah, this spot has been really nice. The trail has been wonderful. You know, just, it's so wide. It's nice and paved and smooth. There's no jagged rocks, no big roots sticking out. It is a very easy hike. It's a little warm today, which is it's a relief from the weather we've been having this summer. We've been hitting 90s all the time. It seems like the times that we don't hit 90 degrees, it's raining. And the days that it's not 90 degrees or raining, it's like 90% humidity. So this is just a nice change. It's probably coming up on about 80 degrees right now, and the humidity is low. So yeah, very nice hike. Okay, trail keeps going that way, but right here, another clearing. You get a nice little overlook view of the lake or the river. This is just a little spillway. Oh, I actually see a person way over there, probably doing some fishing. And off he goes. Hey guys, check this tree out. This one right here. Check that out. That is cool. Definitely one of the bigger ones I've seen today. All right, so when we first came in, we went down a fairly decent grade, and it wasn't very long either. Well, now I got to go up it. So that'll be going up into the prairie area, and I'll be getting out of the woods here in a little bit. Okay, right on top of the hill, trail goes off that way. There's another clearing right down here. Let's go check out the view down there, shall we? Probably just another overlook of the river. Oh, dude, check this out. Stairs that will go down to the river. So there must have definitely been a house in this area. You can see fence posts in the shadow in there. Let's go down and see the river, shall we? Okay guys, so those three people that were fishing back there, they've only caught one fish, and that was a small little northern, I guess. The younger guy says he comes down here quite often to fish. He says it's a really good spot. And then the woman that was down there was fishing with a baby on her back. Never seen that done before. I guess my biggest thing is I hope they're taking care of that baby, you know, with sunscreen. It's really needed today. It is very sunny. There's not like a cloud in the sky. So hopefully they're taking care of the kid. Oh, nice shady spot, couple of trees here. And right up there I can see the pit toilets. So I just got to cross the prairie here and I'm back at the truck. Told you, short walk today. There is no available water, so there's no well or anything to draw off of. You can, of course, filter water from the lake. Another nice big tree. Yeah. All right, we'll just cross this little bit of prairie expanse here and get back to the car, call it a day. All right guys, here we are back at the picnicking area where we first started the hike. The parking lot is literally just right over there. I want to thank you guys for watching. Thanks for coming along and watching this journey, and I'll see you on the road. Oh, shade.